What's up, y'all? Gibby here. In this instructional video, I'm going to show you how to install and set up MinerGate so you can get started mining your first digital currency, which is also sometimes referred to as cryptocurrency, for free. Alright, so let's get started. Follow the link that's provided in the video description. I will take a moment to pause the video. If you do not have a link in which you can actually click with your mouse to the address that is provided in the video, you will have to type the address in your browser manually. And it is important to remember that this link is case sensitive, meaning that you will have to type the address in your browser as it appears, matching both lowercase and uppercase letters, or else you will be directed to a completely different site. Or at the bottom of this video, go to MinerGate's home page, and from here at the top right corner, click the green sign up button. And then from here, enter your email address and your password. I recommend using a main email and a password that you will not forget. Alright, so once you sign in, you'll be presented with the downloads for your operating system. If you don't see them at the top right here, you just scroll down a little bit and you should be presented with the rest of the options for the operating system. Just choose the one that's right for your system. Mine here is going to be the Windows 64. Just click download, and once it's complete, open the installer. Then this is the main installation. All you gotta do is click next or I agree, click all the way through. Now make sure that the Run MinerGate is selected and click Finish. This should be the login screen here. You enter your email address and then your password you use to sign up. And then you'll be able to log in. Once you sign in, now you're on the Smart Miner screen. MinerGate allows you two options to mine currencies. You can actually let MinerGate to automatically mine for you, or you can manually set it to which currencies that you want. I recommend manually setting it. So what you would do here, you go to the miner menu at the top. You'll be presented with most, if not all, the currencies that you can mine. My recommendations to mine are Bitcoin, which is abbreviated as BCN, Ethereum Classic is ETC, Ethereum ETH, and Monero XMR. You have a whole host of other currencies you can mine. You can see those by clicking the show all button here at the top. You can see all of these other currencies here as well. Now if you take up too much screen real estate, you can actually hide some of these here by going all the way over here to the far right of each currency and click on a hide button and hide the currencies that you do not want to see. Now depending on how powerful your computer is, you may be presented different values for the options on some of these here. On your computer, you want to first decide on which ones you want. If you want to have a currency that's mined fairly quickly, I suggest using BCN, which is Bitcoin. And you can just start that up by hitting the start button here, and the option here return green. And from there, you will start seeing your hash rate here go up, and you will start seeing the number of shares that you're getting. And you'll see the total of coins that you'll be gaining eventually. Here on this side, it will slowly increase. And once it's confirmed, that balance will go here, and this is what you actually earn. So right now I have 63.772 Bitcoin. This is also important. You have to go to the website for this with the reward payment. We want to change this to PPLNS. You can't do it here from the menu. You'll have to go to the website, back to your website again, and then go to your dashboard. And once you're in your dashboard, go to the currency and you'll see two options here. You see the PPLNS and PPS. They always set, I believe they're always set by default to be PPS. Change them to PPLNS. And once you change it on your website, it will reflect over here. But you can also mine, you can mine multiple currencies at one time if you like. But you need to make sure your computer has multiple processor cores. On my computer, I have 4. So I can mine a total of 4 different currencies. Actually, I can mine more than one on one core, but it's not recommended to slow down your machine. So with me, I'll put 1 on BCN, and what I like to mine now is XMR. Put 1 on there. Now I could start it with 3 Ethereum. Matter of fact, I'm going to start all of them on 1. Now there's a couple of other things on the MinerGate that you have to set. You go to options, make sure you check minimize the tray, close the tray, and start on system startup. Now just make sure that every time you start your machine, MinerGate is open. Now if you need to exit MinerGate, you will have to go to the menu here and click quit. And in later videos, what I'm going to do, I'm going to explain some other features about how to add some extra security to your account, which is called 2FA, two-factor authentication. Then I'm also going to be explaining more about Bitcoin and digital currencies and what they are and what's all out there, and ways that you can invest your currencies that you have already gained as well.